So how do you repair corrupted files and videos and photos? Now, if you want to fix a corrupted video, whether you're using Android or iPhone, you can go to online and search for any video corruption fixer tool, or you can go to your Play Store or App Store and download a video repair tool. Now, you can just search for a corrupt video fixer and download any app from here. And this usually had a good rating, so I just chose this. Now you open a certain app that maybe it requires the permission to, and then you select the video that maybe you want to go ahead and then convert. So you tap on select video option there and you go to videos and just select the video that you want to repair, and once done you'll be able to try the video option and then you'll be able to restore that video to its original form. This way you'll be able to repair corrupted video files and photos in seconds. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.